your intentions. Eric and Tenili, how you come here freely and without observation to give yourselves to each other in marriage. Will you love and honor each other as man and wife for the rest of your lives? Will you accept children lovingly from God and bring them up according to the law of Christ and His church? Since it is your intention to enter into marriage, join your right hands and declare your consent before God and His church. Eric, please repeat after me. I, Eric, take you Tenili to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times